First things first, we had to take out the intake, so just the whole intake tube we removed. So here's the throttle position sensor just on the right hand side of the throttle body. Right, and we gotta unplug it. Here's the harness, and then 4 bolts, just enough to wiggle it. You can't really get it out anywhere. And we're removing these bolts. They're really small.
7.
It's a size 7 on the sides. And we're removing them with a wrench, and then we're just gonna pull this out since we can shift it enough to work it out and put the new piece in. All right, we got the old one out. All right, looks just dirty. The new one will be here, and it just slides off of the pin for the flap inside, so it slides right off, and then we'll get the new one, install it, and see if the throttle is any better. There's 2 plugs on it too, one right on the part and then another one, so there's one here and the one down there. It's on, so we got the new one on the pin, got it set right. So now we have to put the old bolts back in, tighten it, and put the throttle body back on to the manifold. The new one came with some fresh bolts and lock washers, so that's how we're gonna put them on. Boom. Position sensor is in place. Putting the throttle body back on. Just got to get them started so we can get it tightened up. Alright, got these ones all tightened up. The 4 throttle body bolts. It's a 6 Allen. And we're going to zip tie this since the clip is broken. Zip tie that one. This clip should be on there too. Alright, so we got everything back in. We had the extra plug because this is converted from a from an automatic to a 5-speed. The automatic uses both plugs. The 5-speed only uses one. We already did a test start, and the single plug that's the bottom, and it ran a lot smoother with just the one plug, the 5-speed plug. We're gonna zip tie that since it's broken, and it should be good. All in all, it took about 20 minutes. 20 minutes and absolutely no brain cells.